Good morning, student. Welcome to the online classes. English language. Today our topic is pronoun and we are going to study today possessive pronoun. What is possessive pronoun, children? A possessive pronoun is a pronoun that shows possession and ownership is called possessive pronoun. The ownership, the authority which shows that this thing belongs to me or this is mine is called possessive pronoun. So children, we will look at the board and understand the meaning of possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun. They show ownership to someone or something. This is called possessive pronoun. Ownership. This belongs to somebody. For example, this pen is mine. That one is yours. Mine and yours are possessive pronoun. It is telling the owner that this belongs to him and that pen is yours. That means that pen belongs to that owner. This bike is hers. This one is his. Hers and his is possessive pronoun. It is telling the bike is hers. This is his. This bike is hers. Belongs to the owner is that girl and this one is his. That means the owner is the boy and it belongs to that boy. So children, what is possessive pronoun? That things which belong to the owner. Ownership of a person, thing or a someone. Let's see what possessive pronoun is in singular and in plural form. First, in personal pronoun we will have studied in our previous class. In the previous video, personal pronoun, children, we have seen the subject and the object in the first person, I and me. But today in the possessive pronoun, that is here, let's see in the first person. When the subject is I and the object is me, then in possessive pronoun it becomes mine. Singular in the second person is you, subject, object is you, but in possessive pronoun it is yours. It is with ending with s. Singular in the third person, subject he, object him, and in the possessive it is his. Why do we use his? Because it is his. We use in possessive pronoun for the third person. Third person, she. In the singular, we use subject she, object her, and in the possessive pronoun, it is hers. Singular in the object for the third person, it is it. Object, it is it. In the possessive pronoun, it is its. Plural, children. Plural, we have done personal pronoun in the previous class. First person is we. Plural. Second person plural. You. Subject we, you. Plural, third person they. Plural, object us. Plural, object you. Plural, object in the third person them. Plural in the possessive noun, possessive pronoun is ours. First person we see we. Plural, plural in the object us. Plural in the possessive is ours. Plural in the second person was you. Object was you, but in possessive pronoun it is yours. Plural in the third person was they. Plural in the object was them, third person. Plural in the third person in the possessive pronoun is theirs. So children, this is the way possessive pronoun is having so many rules which we have to follow in the English language. Hope children you will go through the lesson and understand through this video. I hope you will have a nice day. Thank you children.